Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about addiction and dependence. So, in the drugs concept, one more unit what you called in concept is there in the drugs addiction and dependence. Addiction is a physical or physiological. What you call physical or psychological? What you call psychological? This is important. What you call psychological? Physical or psychological need to do or to take use certain substance such as alcohol to the point where it could be harmful to the individual more than required or little amount extra you are taking to the point where it could be harmful to the individual is what you call addiction. This addictive behavior can be personally destructive to a person, personally destructive the person. Over time, addicts start, over time, continuous addiction is going on in the sense, start to lose not only their jobs, they lose their jobs, homes, money, but also friendship, family relationships, and contact with the normal world. Addiction to drugs and alcohol can lead to a psychological attachment to certain effects such as euphoria and temporary feeling of well-being. Temporarily they will feel very happy when you take the drug, but once they addicted in the sense, problems will become. So the repeated use of drugs and alcohol may affect the tolerance level of the present in the body. Tolerance level will be automatically they increase. These receptors then respond only to highest doses. If you take 10 ml, not sufficient. Nearly liters, we have to give alcohol to the people. Then only they can. Highest doses of drugs and alcohol leading to greater intake and addiction. Excessive use of drug and alcohol leads to physical, psychological dependence. So excessive use of drug and alcohol leads to physical, psychological dependence. When psychological dependence develops, the drug user gets mentally hooked onto the drug. Mentally hooked onto the drug. Okay, children, observe very carefully. So, addiction is a physical or psychological need to do or take use certain substances such as alcohol to the point where it could be harmful to the individual. This addictive behavior can be personally destructive to a person. So personal destructive. Over time, addicts starts lose not only their jobs, homes, money, but also friendships, family relationships, and contact with the normal world. Addiction to drugs and alcohol can lead to a psychological attachment to certain effects such as euphoria and temporary feeling of well-being. The repeated use of drugs and alcohol may affect the tolerance level of the present in the body. These receptors then respond only to the highest doses of drugs and alcohol, leading to greater intake and addiction. Excess use of drug and alcohol leads to physical, psychological dependence. When psychological dependence develops, the drug user gets mentally hooked onto the drug. Okay, children, the next important information we are going to discuss. What is the next information we are going to discuss? Next, the drug user, the drug user, the drug user constantly thinks, constantly thinks, constantly thinks. The drug user constantly thinks, constantly thinks only about, only about, only about the drug, only about the drug, and has continuous, continuous, uncontrollable, uncontrollable, continuous, uncontrollable, okay, continuous, uncontrollable craving for it, craving for it. Next, this state is called, this state is called, this state called euphoria, euphoria. Next, euphoria is characterized by characterized characterized by mental and emotional, mental and emotional preoccupation with the drug, with the drug. Next, what is the next one? Physical, physical, physical dependence, physical dependence, physical dependence is a state in which, in which the user's body, the user's body, in which the user's body requires, requires a continuous, continuous presence of the drug, presence of the drug. Next, if the intake of the drug, if the intake of drug, if the intake of drug, very very important, if the intake of drug or alcohol, or alcohol, or alcohol is abruptly stopped, is abruptly, suddenly, abruptly stopped, then what will happen? Abruptly stopped, he or she, he or she, very important, he or she would develop, would develop, he or she would develop, very important thing is he or she will develop withdrawal symptoms, withdrawal symptoms, withdrawal symptoms. Next, in a sense, in a sense, okay, in a sense the body becomes, the body becomes, in a sense the body becomes, very important, in a sense the body becomes confused, confused, and protests, and protests, okay, and protests against the, against the, very important, protest against the absence of the drug, absence of the drug, absence of the drug. Next, the withdrawal symptoms, the withdrawal symptoms, the withdrawal symptoms withdrawal symptoms may range. The withdrawal symptoms may range from what you call may range from withdrawal symptoms may range, okay, from very important. It will be very dangerous withdrawal symptoms. So what we called again as the absence of the drug, the withdrawal symptoms, it will be there. So here the problems are range from mild tremors, mild tremors. Okay, this is important. Next, what we called to convulsions, mild tremors to convulsions. What we called convulsions. Okay. Next, severe agitation and fits. Severe agitation and fits. Okay. Next, depressed mood will be there. Next, anxiety. Next, nervousness, irritability, recalled irritability. Next, insomnia. Next, dryness of throat, etc. Depending on the type of drug abuse, etc. Depending on the type of drug abuse. Okay, children, like this there will be concepts are there in this. Next, effects of drugs and alcohol. Next is effects of drug and what you call alcohol. Effects of drug and alcohol. Short-term effect appears. Short-term effect appears only for a few minutes. After the intake of what do you call after the intake of drugs and alcohol. Okay, children, observe very carefully. Addiction and dependence we are discussing. The drug user constantly thinks only about the drug. Constantly, he don't have any other work. What he will do, he will constantly think about the drug and has continuous uncontrollable craving for it. So he want that, otherwise he will be die like that, he will be do. So this state is called, so always he will try for drug on this kind of state is called euphoria. He is characterized by mental, emotional preoccupation with the drug. Mental, emotional preoccupation with the drug, that is important. So characterized by mental and emotional preoccupation with the drug. Okay, so physical dependence is a state in which the user's body requires a continuous presence of the drug. So physical dependence is a state in which the user's body requires a continuous presence of the drug. If the intake of drug or alcohol is abruptly stopped, so suddenly stopped, the drug giving to the drug addicted people or alcohol addicted people, we stop giving alcohol, he or she would develop withdrawal symptoms. He or she develop which one? Withdrawal symptoms. In a sense, the body becomes confused and protest against the absence of the drug. Confused and protests against the absence of the drug. The withdrawal symptoms may range from mild tremors, mild problems to convulsions, severe agitation, and at last fits. A depressed mood, anxiety, nervousness, irritability, insomnia, dryness of throat, etc. will be there. Withdrawal symptom, depending on the type of drug abuse. So, like that, there will be problems are there. Effects of drug and alcohol. Short-term effect appears only for a few minutes. So there will be long-term effects are there. Short-term effects are there. Short-term effect appears only for a few minutes after the intake of drugs and alcohol. After the intake of drugs and alcohol. Okay, children, observe very carefully. The drug user constantly thinks only about the drug and has continuous uncontrollable craving for it. This state is called euphoria. It is characterized by mental, emotional preoccupation with the drug. The physical dependence is a state in which the user's body requires a continuous presence of the drug. If the intake of drug or alcohol is abruptly stopped, he or she would develop withdrawal symptoms. In a sense, the body becomes confused and protests against the absence of the drug. Confused conditions. The withdrawal symptoms may range from mild tremors to convulsions, severe agitation and fits, depressed mood, anxiety, nervousness, irritability, insomnia, dryness of the throat, etc. Depending on the type of drug abuse, okay, there will be problems will come. Next, effects of the drug and alcohol. Short-term effect appears only for a few minutes after the intake of drug and alcohol. Short-term effects will be there. The next, another important one, we are going to discuss about what is it? In that long-term effects, what will happen? We are going to discuss. Okay, long-term effects. How, what kind of problems will be? The addicted people will be suffer. Okay, effects of what is called effects of drug and alcohol. Observe very carefully. Okay, effects of drug and alcohol. Effects of drug and alcohol. Effects of drug and alcohol. That's important. Okay, next, it is the abuser feels the abuser feels a false sense of well-being, false sense of well-being and a pleasant drowsiness, some short term effects, are euphoria, pain. Next, dullness of senses, alteration in behavior, blood pressure. Next, narcosis, deep sleep, okay, deep sleep, nausea and vomiting, and vomiting. So these are the important structures, problems. Drugs and alcohol have drugs and alcohol drugs and alcohol have long-term effect long-term effect long-term effect that lead to that lead to serious damages serious damages serious damages serious damages because of the constant because of the constant and excessive use because of the constant and the excessive use the physical the physical and mental the physical and mental disturbances the physical and mental disturbance makes the makes the life makes the life of the user makes the life of the user okay what will happen this is important unbearable unbearable and torturous 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 okay this is very important for example heavy drinking heavy drinking permanently damages heavy drinking permanently damages damages the damages the liver and the brain permanently damages the liver and the brain okay next the use of alcohol the use of alcohol the use of alcohol during adolescence okay during adolescence the use of alcohol during adolescence may have long term effects long term effects very dangerous long term effects alcohol interferes with alcohol alcohol interferes with alcohol interferes with the ability of the ability of the interferes with the ability of the liver to break down of the liver to break down okay ability of the liver to break down fat next over time fat accumulation over time fat accumulation over time fat accumulation and high levels of alcohol and high levels of alcohol high levels of alcohol over time fat accumulation and high levels of alcohol okay destroys the liver cells destroys the liver cells destroys the liver cells next this scarring of the liver is called this scarring. The scarring of the liver is called the scarring of the liver is called liver cirrhosis. Liver cirrhosis. Liver cirrhosis. This is important. Liver cirrhosis. Okay. Alcohol irritates the stomach. Okay. Lining due to production of excess acid. Ulcers. Even ulcers also. In stomach ulcers, the alcohol produce. Okay. Observe very carefully, children. We are discussing the effects of drug and alcohol. We are discussing. So, if the drug or alcohol he took, the abuser feels a false sense. Nothing happened, but he will feel something happened like that of well-being and a pleasant drowsiness. One kind of pleasant drowsiness he will feel. Some short-term effects are euphoria, pain, dullness of senses, alteration in the behavior, blood pressure, narcosis, deep sleep, nausea and vomiting will be takes place due to this alcohol or drug addiction people. Drugs and alcohol have long-term effects that lead to serious damages because of the constant and excessive use. The physical and mental disturbances, physical and mental body and even psychological problems also will come, makes the life of the user unbearable. User continuous is addicted in the sense his life will become unbearable and torturous. Is become a torturous. Example, heavy drinking permanently damages the liver and brain. Heavy drinking, what will happen? That permanently damages the liver and brain. The use of alcohol during adolescence may have long-term effects. Alcohol interferes with the ability of the liver to break down fat. So alcohol interferes the ability of the liver to break down of fat. Emulsification process will not take place. Overtime fat accumulation and high levels of alcohol destroys the liver cells. The scarring of the liver is called liver cirrhosis. This is a need bit. And even ulcers also will become in the stomach. Okay, children. Next class we will be discuss about another concept about this problem. Thank you, children.